Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by finding the exact video you want. Use the YouTube app or a browser and type the title or keywords, then apply filters to speed results. Once you see the right clip, open it and confirm the uploader and length so you avoid the wrong version. Make sure the video is public or unlisted. Private videos won't produce a usable share link. Now that the correct video is open, prepare to extract the shareable URL with the next actions. Once the video is open, tap Share and choose Copy Link on mobile or desktop. That gives the canonical URL. If you need the clip to start at a specific second, click Share, check Start at, then Copy or Append. T equals 90s for 1 minute 30 seconds to the end of the URL. For playlist links, copy the full address with the list equals parameter so playback order is preserved. After copying, paste the link into a message or browser to now paste the link where you need it and test it in a new tab or on the recipient device to confirm playback. If the link doesn't work, make sure the uploader didn't set the video to private or that age and region restrictions aren't blocking access. Also inspect the URL for accidental edits. If needed, use the URL. Be short link from Share for cleaner text. Once verified, your recipient will open the exact moment and playlist behavior you intended.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.